Welcome, dear viewers, to this new video in which we present to you an important topic in the world of real estate. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel and watch the entire video. Thank you.
Real estate investment in Germany. Germany is a country with a strong and advanced economy, in addition to a distinguished and prestigious cultural and social level. It has many strong leading companies that have made Germany a safe country for real estate investment. This is what attracted the attention of many to it, for the purpose of obtaining a residence permit by purchasing a property in it, or for the purpose of tourism and visiting its various landmarks, such as the Alps, lakes, hot springs, and tourist cities. This is what made real estate investment an important requirement as a result of the increasing population and the large number of visitors, and being the most secure investment compared to other investments. Why is real estate investment considered successful in Germany? Real estate investment is considered the safest way for investors because of its long-term strength and provides a fixed monthly income in addition to the financial returns and high profits it achieves for individuals or companies, whether small or large, as well as the ease of starting it and the flexibility of prices. We find many aspects of real estate investment, each of which has different returns and risks that must be compared in order to determine the type of real estate investment appropriate to the investor's profit expectations and financial solvency. Among the most important types of real estate investments in Germany: building and selling residential units. This investment depends on the availability of suitable land and building on it in a unified system for the entire building. This requires the presence of many workers and a large capital, or partners or lenders can be hired in exchange for a percentage of the profits. Then these residential units are sold in full or in the form of separate apartments, achieving large profits for investors and partners. Commercial building rental. It is considered one of the most important real estate investments that depend on purchasing a large land, building it, and equipping it to be a huge commercial building. Then the entire building is rented or rented in separate units and shops, achieving a fixed monthly income for the investor, in addition to the growth potential in the area, which affects the increase in the value of the property and its growth. There are many factors that affect the success of this investment, such as marketing, safety factors, and good design. Renovating and selling a house. The investor relies on this type in the event of a desire to achieve large profits in a short time, and brokers are used to obtain an old or poorly conditioned house or apartment at a low price, then maintaining and renovating it. This investment requires creativity to create ideas and add modifications that increase the value of the property, in addition to appropriate marketing to resell the property at a higher price and make money and make a profit quickly. There are many other types of real estate investment, such as investment in industrial and entertainment real estate, and also through stock markets, such as buying and selling shares of real estate companies. Thus, real estate investment is one of the most important investments in light of the decline in interest rates and the facilities provided by the government to encourage real estate investment, as it is one of the most protected countries against financial and economic fluctuations and unfavorable market conditions.